Let's look at this question. If square brackets x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x, find the value of. Okay, let's see. The first three terms will give you 1. So 1, 1, 1. Now 4 to 8 you will get 2. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get this. Now 9 to 15 you would get 3. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Can you see the pattern here? 1 you are getting how many times? 3 times. 2 you are getting 5 times. 3 you are getting 7 times. So effectively every number is coming, n is coming for 2n plus 1 times. Every n is coming for 2n plus 1 times, and this will continue happening until you go from uh, 30 square, which is 900, to 960, 900 to 960, or 31 square minus 1. So you would get 61 cases of 31 square, 30 square. So why I'm stopping here is because for under root 1000 it should be equal to 31 point something, but the entire series for 31 is not getting created. So first let's do it till 30. The expression here would be 2n square plus n summation. If I apply to this, I get 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole thing divided by 6 plus n into n plus 1 whole thing divided by 2. Okay, the first thing I can do is take n into n plus 1 out common. So 30 into 31. In brackets I have 2n, 61 by 3 plus 1 by 2. And now I will have 30 into 31 plus 61 to, so 122 plus 3 by 6. This is what I'm getting. Or 5 into 31 into 125. This is what I'm getting. I don't want to multiply it right now. I will take care of it later. Next thing that I should be checking is 31. How many times will it come? From 961 to 1000. There are 40 numbers. So I'll get 31 into 40 as well. So here I'm getting 31 into 625. Here I am getting 31 into 40. So altogether my final answer should be 31 into 665. If my final answer is going to be 31 into 665, so let's do this. 6650, 6650, 6650, and 665. Let me add up these terms. The first unit digit is 5, then I have 1, then 2 carried over, so I get 6, then 2 carried over, 20615, which is option C, and that will be my final answer.